Hi, Ron. I hope you've had a restful break. I'm not really sure what I would describe the last 2.5 weeks as being, but it was a break. But now we have to try and continue some sort of learning into the next however long this goes for. So I'll be recording little videos like this for the start of each lesson, and then I will set you a task, and then you will go off and you will do that task. So before the holidays, we were looking at mechanical and electrical engineering to just sort of figure out how we can combine those two to help us inhabit Mars. And we were talking about what sorts of power generation we would need. Now we decided that we can't rely on solar all the time because obviously there's dust, it's far away, solar panels aren't nearly as efficient. However, if we use them in conjunction with wind energy, then we can get some semblance of coverage along with some battery backups. But to understand wind turbines, we have to understand mechanical engineering and electrical engineering. So that's what we were at. And now we have to figure out, well, how are we going to bring it together? And that's where we come up with the idea of systems engineering, where we are taking multiple things and combining them together. That's where we're going to be going over the next couple of lessons. However, before we can do that, we have to adapt and learn ourselves how we can use this platform to do our learning. Alright? So, on Compass, there are going to be some instructions that will help you either connect to the WebEx or the Google Meet, and you'll find myself in there and our other teachers. And in addition to the WebEx and the Google Meet, I may be live streaming some classes, or me fiddling around with, say for example, we're going to ask you to do something with what's called fantastic contraptions, or I may stream myself playing around in Tinkercad like you guys have been doing, and then there's, at the end of the class, is a reflection for us, so that we can understand how much access you guys have to online technology and things like that. How reliable is it? What can we possibly do with it? Do you have a reasonably powerful computer, etc.? Alright? Now, I obviously don't have a green screen, so this is what we're going to have to work with for the time being. On the plus side, nope, there, over there, there's my friend, Mr. Panda. Alright? So, I will speak to you next in the WebEx or the Google Meet, depending on which class we're in. Alright?